like shy. Oh, Brindle.
Let's see. All these boys.
Wait, you taking the video?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, this one looks like Koji. He's got the white stripe.
And this one is Brindle. I got in my hand.
This one's chocolate.
And this one is Brindle.
And no white.
Oh. There you go. And
This
Brindle's
one's dark brown. Almost black.
oh,
With no white.
little baby. And this is Brindle.
Yeah, that's Brindle. We all know him. That's Mr. Friendly. He has white. Let me see his chest.
Brindle's
And this is number 5.
And yeah.
This is one that likes to make noise even when he eats. They are Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. 6 days old today.
Hey, little Brindle. Hey, little Brindle. Hey. I just keep thinking, I want to do it. I just can't wait till their eye color open.
Until their eyes open.
Yeah.
Their eyes will probably be blue at the beginning. Mama's outside using the bathroom.
How she not do?
Put him back with them for a second.
Ah, there you go, Brindle. There go little Brindle. Brindle, sit down. Try to stand on your feet. Little Brindle moving it too much. Yeah.
That little white toe. A little white toe.
Little way. Where?
Okay, I'm gonna put him back.
Let's